This is how we used to pack food in the past. This is how we pack it now. In fact, in our homes, we store food items in special container boxes. All this is done in order to store our food for longer shelf life without losing its nutritional value. So in Apack, we produce solutions and technologies for portion food packaging. Food is our most basic need. This is why we have felt the need to save and carry food for ages. The main prerequisite for storing food is to be able to prevent food decay and decomposition for a long period of time. Some of the age-old natural methods of storing food discovered as a result of trial and error include dried meat, dried vegetables, pastrami, phyllo pastry, pickles, and homemade preserves. Today, innovative packaging solutions, employing advanced technology to store food for long periods of time without losing its freshness and nutritional value, is our area of expertise. While producing packaging solutions, Apack aims to process food completely in its natural state and without using any preservation, if possible. This is the most critical point as far as the consumer is concerned. At the end of the day, we consume all these products with the ones we love. It is a fact that products not packed in accordance with the right methods and techniques both threaten our health and lead to losses for the producer. In its endeavors, Apack tries to develop its products in line with customer demand, requests, and expectations, with the longest shelf life at a minimum cost. Of course, this is done without the food losing its taste and without using any preservation, in other words, by keeping the food in its most natural state. We use thousands of portion size packaging designed to comply with standards and requirements. We employ hundreds of kinds of base tray material and functional covering film materials with different areas of use depending on the special characteristics of food item. While we do all these, we care about the future as well. As we follow the new developments in the world, we design new technologies in Apack based on needs and requirements. After solving the problem of packaging food items in the right protective materials, we first manufactured basic hand-operated tray sealing machines. We designed a very unique method for sealing the tray material and the protective covering film and maintaining the atmosphere within the packaging at the required quantity. We then developed this technology even further and set up assembly lines providing mass packaging. machines and components we have manufactured comply with international standards and certification. "20 years of experience, to be exact, lies behind the Apack brand. We provide machinery and services to over 200 companies in Turkey and abroad. We work in cooperation with over 800 scientists and technicians worldwide. We take part in long-haul research and development projects in cooperation with research institutes like TÜBİTAK, universities, and laboratories. Our feeding habits vary with the times we live in and social traditions. Those living in large cities in particular do not have the time anymore to cook after coming home late following a tiring day. Although we may have borrowed the concept of fast food from the West, we have been working for years to develop these in harmony with the tastes found in the Turkish cuisine. We aim to take to the world the tastes of the traditional Turkish cuisine. We have already embarked on projects with several companies in the area of ready-cooked meal. We take all this expertise and know-how to the Far East, the Middle East, Turkic republics, and the Balkans. We spend a great deal of time at Apack to educate both the consumer and the producer. We constantly hold joint educational seminars with universities and entrepreneurs. We prepare the investors for the future by educating them in food production and packaging at the right standards and by contributing to the culture of food items with added value. In Apack, we produce solutions that add value to your food. You can reach detailed information about our products and services at our website, via our agency, or by directly contacting us. Apack.